Hello, my name's Abby and I work at Airbus, where we design aircraft. Now today I want to talk to you about the problem where one day we will have no more fossil fuels. So the aircraft that we see flying above our heads, they rely very heavily on fuel, and one day we won't have that. So what can we use instead? Now here I have an elastic band, as you are well aware of, and you can store potassic elastic energy by pulling it back. And of course when you release it, ping, you transfer the potential energy which you've stored into the kinetic energy of the elastic band, which you can fire at people, which is great fun. Now, I want to talk to you about aircraft design and how we can potentially apply that in the future. So here we have an aircraft, as you'll recognise, and this is a glider. So this is specifically for aircraft which will fly really, really long distances, but crucially, as you can see, no engines. So with an aircraft which just uses gravity and the shape of the wing to produce enough lift, we need to focus on reducing the drag. So as you can see, we have extremely long wings, they're quite thin, which reduces the drag and means that the large surface area produces enough lift to keep this aircraft in the sky. Now here I have made a little glider. This is something that you can do at home very easily. I made this in the office with some tea stirrers and some card. So I use some of these principles that I use in the office at my work into making this glider. So as you can see, the first thing I looked at was the centre of gravity. Now in order for it to not nosedive or do a tail up and then stall, you need to have the centre of gravity just at the back of the wing there. So it's just behind where the lift is from the wings. So you want to have it about there-ish, like so. I also like this glider here, which I spoke about. You want a really, really large wingspan in order to have enough lift to fly. At the back here I've got a tail, so I've got a vertical tail plane there, which keeps it stable in the air so it doesn't roll from side to side, and also got a horizontal tail plane as well for the same reason. So using the elastic potential energy we spoke about earlier, we can launch such a glider and fire it. Just like that. Thank you for watching.
For more information about our school's workshop, Keep Calm, I'm an Engineer, check out our website and connect with us through Facebook and Twitter.